Hey guys, and welcome back to Lazy Wild Adventures. I'm Justin, and today we're going to be taking a look at installing a C.L. Lawrence window. Pretty much. Alright, so what we're fixing to do is get the window ready to be installed. We're going to get the hole ready to cut. So what we did was we took apart the box the window came in and traced the window. What we have done is made a template inside the window and took a small drill bit and drilled 2 small holes through the side of the van. Brought it down an inch from the top of this ridge across here on the top of the van. Came down an inch to give it a little bit of space and just popped these through. I went on the other side and was able to line them up. Set this back and trace around it, and we'll go do that now and start taping around the window so we can start cutting it out. Bring your template back outside and your drill bit through the hole, through the hole. You line both holes up, tape it, draw a circle. That's it. We're going to tape this up, drill a bigger hole, and cut it out. Alright guys, when we were building the van, I didn't have a lot of time. And when I was cutting in the window, got a little excited. Cutting that hole made me so nervous to begin with, so it did take me a little bit of time to get the nerve up, to drill the first hole, and to cut the big gaping hole inside my van. Once I got over that and got it all in there, I got a little too excited and stuck it in. I got a little too excited and stuck it in. Part that I didn't show you, or that you're not seeing here in the next piece, is the butyl tape. Same thing I missed on the Max fan. I get a hole cut and I'm ready to fill it up. Your butyl tape's going to come in a spool. It's like a putty, like a gray putty, and you're just going to take that, kind of gump it around the edge of the window. You're doing that to seal it, so when you press it against the window, you want enough of it in there that it's oozing out around the window. It'll hold a little bit, but you're going to need someone to hold the window on the outside. Go to the inside and you have a ring. It sets in, and it comes with screws you fasten all the way around. Pressure holds the window in. That'll press out that butyl tape around the window, so you can go back with your finger and rub it off. And you'll probably want to come back the next morning or the next day, because it's going to keep oozing out, and do that same thing again to clean up your window. If you fail to do that and leave it for an amount of time, it makes it much harder to get off, so check it in the first day or so. Alright, so we didn't turn the camera on when the window was being put in, but that's what the window looks like when you put the window in. Okay, so all we did was wrap it with butyl tape. We got real lucky first try with the cut, and that's the inside. So no spacer, see all the orange, just the window, gasket, butyl tape, and screws, that's it. Didn't get all of the window installation done, but we got really lucky on it. First cut went right in. Well, it didn't go right in, but it went in. We got it sealed off. Kind of intimidating to cut a hole in the side of your van, but we got it done. Alright, so a drone update. On the last video, we killed the drone. It's not all the way dead. We broke a blade went missing. We had some spare blades, put the spare blades on, kind of blew it out with some air because it was all sand in there. It's all grinding around. The lens on the camera was completely dusted over, so it was bad. I got it wiped off, and I got it back together, or got the blades on it, got the sand for the most part cleaned off of it, and blew it. Now, I haven't done the surgery on it yet. I'm fixing to soon take it apart. The camera don't move, so I can't see where I'm going, but it goes up and it comes down and it goes side to side as long as you can see it. So that's the update on the drone. So that's what's happening with the drone. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around to the end. Thanks for watching the video today. I hope this gave you a little bit of educational value in some way. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go over and hit that bell so you know each time there's a new upload. Smash that thumbs up button guys, that really helps me out. And leave a comment if you'd like to give me an idea, something to make a video on, some place to go visit. I'd love to hear from you guys. Share this video with somebody. Help me get some more subscribers. But thanks for the help guys. Till next time, be safe out there and God bless.